We built our business to be able to address clients' needs, and most clients have a variety of brands when it comes to client computer, whether it be desktop, laptop, or printer. One of the first multi-advantages and differentiators we have in the business is we provide services for all of those brands, and I'm talking about the major OEM brands in the marketplace: Lexmark, Xerox, Hewlett-Packard, Dell, Lenovo, and others.
We have an all-encompassing SLA menu, anywhere from a 2-hour resolve right up to next business day service.
We track a lot of the metrics that most of our competitors don't track, and they don't track it for the sake of providing customers with a better solution. So we, from a phone perspective, from a voice perspective, we track average hold times, average response times, abandon rate. All of those things are tracked, and our goal is under 3 minutes across the board in any of those metrics, which in this industry is far better than anything that you'll see.
We have engineers that cross the entire United States, and where we don't have coverage, we have a very qualified partner network, certified technicians that we've, through our expense, have trained and certified to deliver the types of services that our clients need of them.